I know this one is once I will open it, I will never close it properly, which is probably very dangerous. But normally when you first buy it, it's really hard. So if I couldn't get that open, no, it wasn't. Yeah, I would have to get someone like my partner to help me, but I would never put the lid back on, which is very dangerous.
I don't even know how to open that thing. I can't even see how to open it. So tell me on here what it is.
This is probably the one thing I wouldn't put in my teeth because it's disgusting. And I don't for that exact reason. Because they're just like too difficult to open. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, nothing is ever replaced with like a lid for me, so I just wouldn't do it. I hate this. I already know, like, this is the worst. Any kind of like shrink wrap packaging is so hard. Like, again, I'm like breaking that with my teeth. I already know that. That's so difficult.
All that plastic covering over the top to break that seal. Yeah, look. No, I can't break that seal.
Listerine. Sometimes these are really easy to open and not. No, there's a push down. Oh no, it's got that seal on the side of it. You've got to go over. This is going to be a hard no. I need my partner to intervene in this. Or maybe. No.
Because you have to be able to hold it with one hand so you can push down and do it. So what generally ends up happening for me is I'll spill it and then I just don't put the lid back on because it's too difficult. Every time someone just stays off, which is like not hygienic at all.